What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood struts on this 2001 BMW 325 Xi. If you need these parts or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Now you don't have to take this off. I'm taking this off to make it easier to see in the video. A little weather strip right here, and there's a push clip right here. You can try to take a trim tool. We actually sell this trim tool at 1aauto.com. Slide this out and get behind here. Slide that out. You can grab this, just slide it up, take it out of your way. Like I said, you don't have to take that off, but it makes it easier to see on video. And I can take a little screwdriver or even a pick tool, slide this in behind here. There's a little spring clip. If you get behind it, you can pry it out a little bit. And you're going to want to support the hood while you do this, so either have a friend do it or just try to support it with your back or something, or your shoulder. And slide this out. Get up here. Slide that out and pull that out. Here's the old part. Here's the new hood strut from 1aauto.com. As you can see, the length is the same, has the same configuration, same mounting positions. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you can do it yourself. So yeah, support the hood, have someone help you out if you need to. And just slide this over here and then lift it up a little bit and slide the bottom part on. Lock it in place, and you can do the same on the other side. All right, take this piece, slide this in position. All right, with that lined up, then we'll stick this push pin back in and push this retainer side of the push pin. Get that started. That's good. Take the weather strip, slide that back on.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.